ArizonaCustomKnives.com presents you another beautiful knife right here, 10 mil. You can even tell this is a knife. Look at this holder. This is so unique. Boom. And how does this work? I have no idea. I do see there is a knife over here, so to me this is like a mystery knife. Let's figure this out, how this works. Yeah, there's not even a bottom. It's definitely OTF. Ooh, that's how you release it back into it. There's a button right here. Wow, are you kidding me? That is cool. Looks like heat treated. That is insane. There's number 115. There's a safety button right here. You press on that, then you pull on that to reset it. That is insane. One of a kind knife, and it locks in. You feel it, and it goes again. Boom. That is a nice pull, and it's a couple inches blade. It just looks like it's homemade. It's so rustic. I love it. One of a kind. Okay, one more time. Do you see that? It's nice, but it's so fun and easy to hold. Like open up boxes. Look at that point right here. Would be fun. Is there a logo? Yeah, there's a logo right here. Never heard of this knife maker, but wow, I'm impressed. Lock it in, boom. And look at the boxes. So insane. One of a kind for sure. Yeah, I need some of this.